Huami Zepp Z smartwatch with 30-day battery life, SPO2 monitoring launched. The sZeppZ smartwatch has launched as the latest offering from Huami Zepp brand. The wearable has a round dial frame made of titanium alloy and a leather strap. It includes features like SPO2 blood oxygen level, heart rate, and stress monitoring. There seem to be 3 buttons on the watch for navigation and quick access to health data. The sZeppZ smartwatch offers up to 30 days of battery life during basic usage and up to 15 days of battery in a daily usage scenario. The wearable weighs only 40 grams. sZeppZ Smartwatch price, sale. Huami's new sZeppZ smartwatch is priced at $349, roughly 25,900 rupees, and is up for grabs in the US on the Zepp site. It is available in a single leather brown strap variant. sZeppZ smartwatch specifications, features. The new sZeppZ has a 1.39-inch, 454 by 454, AMOLED display with 326p pixel density, 550 nits max brightness, and 100% NTSC color gamut. The smartwatch weighs about 40 grams and the frame is made of titanium alloy. It is 5 ATM waterproof and measures at 46.3 by 46.3 by 10. 75mm. sZeppZ has a 340 mAh battery inside that charges through a wireless magnetic charger. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge the wearable. The company claims that the sZeppZ is touted to last up to 30 days in basic usage scenario, and up to 15 days in daily usage scenario. For health tracking, the sensors on board include a PPG bio-tracking sensor and an optical sensor. For sports tracking, the sZeppZ has a geomagnetic sensor, gyroscope, capacitive sensor, air pressure sensor, accelerometer, and ambient light sensor. It offers features like stress and sleep quality monitoring, PI assessment, SPO2 level measurement, 24/7 heart rate monitoring. There's 16 megabytes of memory on board and the sZeppZ also offers microphone support. It has a linear motor for haptic feedback. The sZeppZ watch has a leather buckle with 22mm width and a classic pin buckle to strap it on the wrist. It supports handsets that run on Android 5.0 and iOS 10.0, and above. Buyers can pair it with a smartphone using the Zepp app. The sZeppZ has Alexa built in for voice assistance and comes integrated with GPS and GLONASS. It has 12 sports modes for a variety of activities like walking, cycling, treadmill, swimming, and more. There are 3 buttons on the smartwatch. One is called the Health Key that offers quick access to health data. A classic crown sits in the middle for navigation. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.